Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya, and for those of you who do, welcome back. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. For today's video, it has been a very long time since I did a thrift flip, and I recently went thrift shopping and found a few pieces. Thought I would revamp them, give them a second life, make them a little bit more my style. But before we get into the whole video, I just want to say a big thank you for COSTWAY for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know COSTWAY, they are an online retailer. They have furniture, outdoor stuff, they have sports and games, they have baby stuff, kid stuff. They also have kitchen, home decor, and pet supplies. It's pretty much everything under one roof, and I love that. When I'm shopping, I like to go to one place and just get everything that I need. The great thing about COSTWAY is they have fast delivery within 3 to 5 days for any item without minimums. I got my piece super quick. I didn't have to wait for it. It was so great. So the piece that I was looking for and I ended up getting was this amazing shelf in the back of me. I was working on my dresser. It was this white dresser that was in the back. I did a furniture flip. I'll put the link down below for you guys if you haven't seen it. I end up flipping it to put it in my bedroom, and so I end up moving into my bedroom right now. And so this space here was completely bare. I definitely needed something to go there, but I just needed something a little bit more with height. So I ended up finding this really cool shelf. And what I loved about this shelf was, first of all, it was narrow, because this space is extremely narrow. I didn't want it to be bulky. I didn't want it to take up too much space. So the size was perfect. I wanted obviously something, like I said, high. So it's 6 feet tall. It is exactly the height that I was going for. What I love is it has this whole industrial look with the faux wood here and then the black. I love to bring in little pops of black. And in my beauty closet room, there's a lot of white going on. My beauty station is wood. So I just wanted to add a little bit of black, but still tying it all together with the wood as well. So I end up getting this one and I love it. It's perfect. It's exactly what I was going for. The shelves are water resistant, so if you drop something on it, you can clean them easily. Right now I put some decorative pieces on it, but if ever I want to change it up, put some hats, some shoes, make it a little bit more closet. But as for now, I'm going to keep it with the decor because I just think it adds a little decoration in this space. And I feel that there's a lot of clothing, a lot of things that are going on, but I just wanted to add a little touch of decorations in here. I am so happy about this piece. If you guys are interested, go check them out. They also have a COSTWAY day with super big savings, so all the information will be on their site. But as of right now, I'll leave all the information of the shelf that I got and their website, so you can go check them out. Anyway, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this whole thrift flip. So I'm going to start off with my first piece. Normally I start off with the home decor, but I thought I would start off with the accessory first. I was looking everywhere for a straw bag. In the summertime, I like to go to the beach with my family, so I wanted a straw bag. When I fell on this bag, I knew that there was potential. It was a little beat up. The crochet thing over it was hanging off it. There was these sort of like little gold coins that were tarnished. It wasn't really the look that I was going for. So I decided to tweak it and make it more my style and sort of revamp it, give it a new life. I just love how it turned out. It's very me, very boho. I just love it. I think it's different, it's original. You guys know I love my one-of-a-kind pieces. I could not be happier of how it turned out. We're gonna start off with my first piece and we're gonna jump right into it. So for my next piece, I was definitely not looking for this. I just saw it on the shelf. It wasn't anything special, but it was a simple box. And I thought I can definitely make something out of this box and just make it more into a trinket box or a jewelry box, something beautiful you can put on your shelf, on your dresser, somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, but I just wanted something that I can store things in. I think it's always practical. It was 99 cents, so I'm like, you know what, I'll just get it. It's the perfect size. It had a brownish color to it, which was great. So I got a little inspired and I created something really pretty, I think so. Anyway, we're gonna jump right into the second DIY. Enjoy. For my last DIY, it's nothing special. I still thought I would include it in this video. I saw these wooden balls in this little bin and I immediately thought of a garland and I knew where I would put it. Like I told you guys, I'm revamping my bedroom. I had bought in this huge mask in my last haul where I was going to put in my bedroom. So I did that, but I felt that there needed to be something right next to it. So I immediately knew that a garland there would look perfect. So I drilled each wooden ball and made a garland. It is just so perfect. It looks great there. So let's jump right into this DIY. that is it. I hope you enjoyed this thrift flip. Comment down below. Let me know which piece is your favorite. I'd love to hear that. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for all your love, your support, your comments, all of it. You know just how much it means to me. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.